The further you get from the pavement, the more this island starts telling stories most people will never hear. Today we set out with absolutely no destination in mind. But you know what? Some of our favorite adventures have never started with a plan. No GPS pins, no famous destinations, just an old logging road and a simple question. I wonder where this goes. I love to sugarcoat this. Deep in these forests, there are thousands of kilometers of old logging roads. And every now and then, one of them leads to somewhere that's been forgotten for decades. We had no idea just how strange this day was about to become. Yeah, Tyler spotted this little lake off the main road, and we took the trail down, and now we're at this really weird, like red dirt area.
I almost thought this was the lake, like the lake bed.
Yeah, it almost looks like the lake bed, but
it's not.
I think the trail's right over there, so we're gonna try following it and see if we can make our way down there. There's definitely tire tracks out here.
Weird.
People have been driving out here.
Crazy.
But it looks like a little blue lake on the map. So,
Fingers are crossed.
without further ado, let's get this adventure going. This is nuts.
It literally looks like Mars.
Yeah, it feels like we're on Mars right now. And it's so green. There was a sign on the way in here that said this is highly acidic, do not drink, do not swim, and do not recreate.
I don't know what that means.
I think you know what that means.
No, I don't. Like, I actually don't.
Your kids here are gonna have birth defects if you recreate. You're gonna give birth to an alien from Mars. This is nuts. Someone was lighting them up right here. This dirt is so bizarre. Yeah. If it says the water's poisonous, maybe don't let your dog swim in it. No, it's so crazy though, because the water looks insanely clean. Yeah. Like it's so clear. You can see right to the bottom. Yeah. But it's acidic.
Contrast is so,
it's wild.
So cool.
Like that's insane.
Yeah, this is definitely, look at these little footprints.
Logging road to cover now. On our way to the next lake.
I will not complain about this logging road.
No, this is smooth right now. It was super bumpy.
Feels like we're on a cloud.
Ago, but right now it's running smooth.
Yeah.
See what else we find along the way. It looks like there's a few other lakes, so let's see what we find.
been afraid of growing up and losing friends I used to trust.
Cruising down these winding roads beside the lake really makes you realize just how lucky we are to live in such a place. There's nowhere else I'd rather be in moments like these. Oh,
I'm scared.
this is creepy. We gotta go check this out.
I love how it suddenly got like spooky.
Yeah, it got like
then
dark
we
and
see it.
spooky right here. I don't know about this.
What is it?
This is spooky. Some type of, I would assume, like an old abandoned logging shop or something.
Oh, it stinks.
Ugh, gross. You going in? Ah! Someone living in there?
Ah!
What?
There's mattresses.
Ew. Oh my god. Festering. Gross.
Connor's word of the week.
Yeah.
Creepy.
This
I don't
is really-
like it.
Really weird.
Giving me bad vibes.
Concrete foundation. It's kind of like a raised platform too, which is weird. So I don't know what this would have been used for. Maybe just like it almost looks like a storage building because you've got like a bay door right there and a raised bay door right here. So maybe this was just like a spot to store stuff,
that
equipment. I
On
don't
the
know.
wall looks like a bear.
Oh
From the
yeah.
Side.
Yeah, it
Side
does.
profile of a bear.
Interesting. What else is around here? There's like a rock pile,
Leave me in here.
a bunch of wood. Come on then. Oh, there's a Toyota Hilux over there. Oh yeah, a big chunk of cable right here.
That's
Oh.
creepy.
Steel banding. Weird. Big culvert over there. Some weird plastic tubes. Hey, this is like a brand new cable. This one's not even rusty. Look at that. Is that a Warrington lay? I can't remember my cables. I used to be a big cable guy. Millwright school. You have to count the layers. I don't know if there's anything else around here, but I think we're gonna just
We're on a roll, so.
we're gonna explore down this road. It looks like a dead end on the map, but you know how that goes. Might not be. Only one way to find out, right?
Ready, Ellie?
You guys ready?
Oh my god, I have so many mosquitoes on me. We gotta run.
Yeah, the mosquitoes out here are insane. We gotta get out of here.
Quick.
Run.
Come on. Up. Mosquitoes.
This one's even more
Creepier.
spooky.
There's a chimney.
Look at that.
Ew, what is that hole for? Like on the side, there's a bird nest in there.
Oh yeah.
This is so creepy vibes.
Right
Wow.
there on the side, there's a little bird's nest. Chimney. We were cruising by and then this one like came out
Literally
of
jumped at
nowhere.
me.
Damn, I wonder what else is down here then. It
This is
says
so
it's a dead end right here,
spooky.
but it keeps going, so we gotta keep going. Ugh.
That one's more like a house.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like this.
I wonder if this is like an old logging camp. This that might be what it is. Like this maybe is where the loggers were posted up and they would like sleep here and kind of
Ah.
hang out. Ooh. Oh god. Are we not supposed to be here?
Not the broken down car. It's scary.
I don't like this.
No, this is the dead end.
Here, I'll let you film and we'll lock all the doors and we'll quickly do a lap through there. Here we go. I don't like this.
Why do they have like smokers outside?
We got a camper, a few rundown cars, Some old logging equipment right here. That's like a grader attachment, I think. Yeah.
Ew, there's literally a fridge outside.
Oh my god. This is just like a dump.
Yeah.
Wait, what kind of stickers do they got? Gold River, Tofino.
Send it. I don't know. Keep going.
This
I'm
is so
scared.
weird. I almost thought people were here, but I don't think there is. No, there's nobody out here.
Might be a couple Bigfoot in that camper.
Yeah.
Crazy. This is wild.
I was watching this
But
one.
like these vehicles are insured.
Are they?
Yeah, there's license plates on all of them.
Oh. Should we report them as stolen?
I don't know. Maybe.
Why are they here? Like that one looks
Like decent
like
shape.
It was parked here somewhat recently.
Yeah, like
Ford, not so
missing
much.
people? Question mark.
Yeah, and then there's another car back there that also has
Oh, yeah.
a plate on it.
Oof. This is
Maybe I'll
creepy.
go snap a couple of photos of the plates just in case.
Yeah, in case it's like green Subaru missing person in 2 days, and be
Yeah.
like, oh, don't like that.
Ugh, spooky.
Got weird chills now.
Leaving with more questions than answers, we decided not to hang around. Instead, we made one final push higher into the mountains, chasing a glacier I had spotted on a map. It was starting to get late, but if we hurried, we might just make it before dark.
Finally seen the sunrise, and I cannot believe it. Curtains open, wishing she was here to see it. And I thought that I could handle.
The road just kept climbing, disappearing deeper into the mountains. But if there's one thing that we've learned, it's that turning around too early usually means missing the best part. Although this road seemed to go on forever, sometime over the years, a massive rock slide had completely wiped out the road, bringing our journey to an abrupt end. We weren't really equipped to cross something like this today, but now that we know what's beyond here, we'll definitely be back to see just how much further this road goes.
I've been afraid.
Not every adventure ends where you expect it to. Sometimes the destination is a dead end, and sometimes it's the beginning of your next trip. Either way, we'll be back.
Does that make me a quitter? Does that make me a quitter? Does that make me a quitter?
We just found another little gem of a spot right here on the lake. Unreal. It's got a little rope swing right here. Love that. It's like a ladder up that tree. I don't know if people have been jumping off the tree like with the rope swing. That'd be kind of fun. But I think this might be our last stop of the night here. We're gonna start cruising back towards our base camp at the other lake. And then we're gonna make some dinner. We're having skewers for dinner. Yeah, we're both pretty hungry. It's been a long day of adventuring. So yeah, we might go back out tomorrow and check out another couple spots. That's probably gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.
See you soon.
Ellie says make sure to like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Good girl. Good girl. Couple good girls.